Haya ni tariki ithano mweri wa gatandatu mwaka wa 2024 na gitio kinene njitikiria ngoro ngikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV mohoro-ini maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthi gakihoka ati thiku yaku ni agitindia oro wega nyindayuka niguo ngumenyithia ria bururi wa gitinda ukigarura ngurehera riboti kuma kaunti tiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma Jawai toka cia bururi tikrokigo nginya riboti cia mathako ne maingi maria tugikuharireire ririkana ati mohoro ma maitu turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria athie kuria muna Facebook ugutukora ku @Muthingi TV waikuruka kuria muna wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ni higo ciothe njitikaga wa elimu wa Kimani. Haya na tukebirira na ripoti ito ya mbere ni ripoti eye ishera ria William Ruto kuria bururi-ini wa Korea na kuria mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi ni akirikitie gukorwo magikaranira ngirimiti na ruhonge rwa International Vaccine Institute mwana wa icera-ini iria kiguku South Korea hari uhoro wigie kumatia ndugu ya wonjoria mwena wa South Korea. Ikinya riri ni rikurehe ugaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa urigitani guku bururi-ini na gukorwo ikigacirithia sekta ya ugima wa mwiri. Ni riboti ito ya mbere hari mohoro maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthi.
Thiko ithatu cia icera ria President Ruto bururi-ini wa South Korea riu maciaro ma icera riri ni mambitie kuoneka kuona riu President ni ekiranire ngirimiti na ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri sekta-ini ya njanjo kana ni ruo International Vaccine Institute bururi-ini ucio.
Very delighted this morning to join you as we celebrate Kenya's ascension to the membership of the International Vaccine Institute. This is an important milestone which demonstrates our dedication as a country to achieve health commodity security through sustained public-private partnerships and international collaboration to promote investment in research and development as well as the manufacturing of vaccines.
President akinyukitie ikinya riri kumana na kire augite ni minyamariko iria bururi wagereire hindi ya king'uki ya COVID-19 hari gwetha njanjo ya murimu ucio.
We have an opportunity to reflect on the journey we have traveled and to remember where we started. I remember the last time we signed the papers in 2022 when I came here. I remember hosting Jerome in my office on a day like today, on a month like this month, last year. And I am truly delighted that the journey we agreed on today has come to fruition.
President ni atugeretie ikinya ria unyitaniri wa African Union na mabururi mangi ariko agerithia ruhonge rwa urigitani gitaro-ini kia Africa.
And we are taking effective measures to prepare Kenya and Africa for future outbreaks, epidemics, pandemics, and other health emergencies by
mutongoria wa bururi ni acokeirie bururi wa Korea ngatho kumana na kiria manireire ni waki wa wabici cia uthondeki wa dawa cia njanjo ici guku mucii-ini munene wa Kenya Nairobi. Ruto augite undu uyu ni ugukuria ruhonge rwa urigitani guku bururi-ini na njira nene.
We cherish this partnership and embrace its ambitious goals. The establishment of the IVI Country and Project Office in Nairobi shows our commitment, ability, readiness, and willingness as a government to accelerate the progress of our universal health coverage agenda and to promote Africa's self-sufficiency in the most critical dimensions of healthcare.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjikũ wa Kĩhũba.
Institute of Science and Technology.
Aya nake mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro guku bururi-ini niwe Raila Odinga muthenya wa umuthi ni yumiririe gucokeria Akenya othe hamwe na thirikari ya Kenya ngatho ni undu wa kumunyita baru ito-ini riake ria kuimathira giturwa kia mwikirigiti wa urumwe wa mabũrũri-ini AU. Oroho Raila Odinga ni ongereire maundu maria mothe gitaru kia Africa gigukorwo gikigunika namwe ona riri akikorwo akiyukia uhotani ta mwikariri giti wa AU.
Mutongoria wa ung'ethaniro bururi-ini niwe Raila Odinga augite ati ni hariirie gutwara gitaro kia Africa gikiro-ini kiu kingi. Raila uria urahuranira giturwa kia muikariri giti wa urumwe wa mabururi ni acokeirie a Kenya hamwe na thirikari ya Kenya ngatho ni undu wa kumunyita mbaru itwa-ini riake, akiuga ati ndari na nganja cia kuhotana githurano-ini kiu kiria gitanyitwo kuhanika mieri iri kuma riu. Amu andu a bururi wake ni mamwitikitie muno na ni aretikia ena kiria kirabatarania niguo ahote gutwarithia gitaro giki hatari na kihingica o giothe.
I appreciate the offer of support. The Honorable Prime Cabinet Secretary shared with me the situation and levels of preparation and commitment in the government. I have been very encouraged by the number of senior government officials offering to be part of this journey out of an understanding that we are in this as Kenya and not as partisan political parties.
Raila augire ati aramenyire uhoro wa githurano kiu kuma kuri arata ake a kuma nja wa bururi.
Many of my friends from outside Kenya approached me and told me that this position of AU chairmanship is becoming vacant next year. They have looked around the continent and feel that among the people who may offer themselves, you have the best credentials.
Oho ne ongereire ati angihotana githurano-ini kiu ni ekugacirithia ngwataniro na biacara gatagati ka mabururi ma Africa, guku akiuga ati gitaro kia Africa nikio kina indo iria nyingi hari itaro iria ingi, no indi nikio kiri thutha muno makiria hari uthii wa na mbere na ari na itanya ria gucenjia uguo.
To expand the communication and trade among the African people, in the ability of the African people to develop Africa. That Africa, the richest continent on the planet Earth in terms of resources, is also the poorest in terms of development. This is the paradox that we want to solve.
Oho, Raila ni ongereire ati angihotana ni egutua rũthiomi rumwe ruria andu a gitaro giki mari aranagiria nakio na maiguane mari othe hamwe na kugacirithia urumwe wa mabururi maya.
Why can you not have one African visa? It can be done. We can connect the whole of this continent. And that's why I've been talking of the story of African lion.
Ni ongereire ati uhotani wake ni ukuguna bururi wa Kenya hamwe na mabururi mangi.
Kenya is going to get its equivalent to what the rest of Africa is going.
Nao ekwirwo eri aici wa ngari mwena wa Limuru na Kabete muthenya wa umuthi marikitie gwikio ngono na gukorwo magitwaro igoti-ini. Mwikwirwo umwe atwito mwiro wa thitango nake Isaiah athitangirwo na wici wa lori ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 4.
Kwiro eri a wici wa ngari mwena wa Limuru, Kabete na Kikuyu ni makinyetie mbere ya igoti.
It's I have and I have no intention to touch your honor. This can be close so that we can take plea.
Afitha wa uthuthuria wa DCI Joseph Wachira erite igoti ati uthuthuria ni utumite umwe wa Ekwiro John Kiago gutuika muira wa mwena wa thitango, guku Isaiah Ndirango akigomirwo ni thitango.
Kwa ofisi ya kiongozi wa mashtaka na uamuzi kafikiwa kwamba mshukiwa wa kwanza atashtakiwa, lakini wewe utachukuliwa kama mshahidi wa pande ya mashtaka. Kwa hivyo naomba ifaili ifungwe.
Igoti kuhitukira mushirithania Jared Magori igithomera Ndirango thitango ya kuiya lori ya muigana wa milioni 4 mwena wa Rironi gicigo kia ubunge kia Limuru ni areganite na thitango ino na kuria igoti rimurekererie na bodi.
Reasonable bond terms and an alternative of cash bail that is affordable. Your Honor, I do also apply that the state to provide the defense with the documentary evidence. That's all, Your Honor.
Mucirithania Jared Magori augite mwikoiro uyu norekererio na bodi ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 1 na arihe 500,000 mbeca baribari na cira ugathikiririo mweri wa kanana tariki 6.
The accused is admitted to a bond of 1 million shillings with one surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 500,000 shillings. Hearing on 6th of August before this court, mentioned on 18th of June.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, njetago Wangui wa Muriuki.
Na tugithi na mbere ni ati ahuri biacara na aikari a tauni ya Mururi gicigo kia ubunge gia Gicugu guku ni county ya Kirinyaga ni maikitie ritana kumana na gutharara kwa mihango ya utheru kuria ihumba cia giko cihurite kumana na thirikari ya county gukorwo ikigonderera hari weiguririku wayo wa kurogota giko.
Aruti a biacara na aikari a Mururi kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni marakaritio ni giko kiria gitakoretwo gikioywo makiuga no kirehe ndwari kuri ciana iria cikoragwo cigithakira ho. Onjoria ni maugite ati aruti wira a kaunti ni makoretwo makiruta wira mwega no makarimo ni kuruta wira ni undu giko giki gitikoragwo gikirogotwo.
Tari guku Mururi twina mborera 5 na twarora tukona mborera icio ni iria ikara kabinda kanene itari iroka kugirwo. Ugu tukauga atia aruti ma thirikari ma kanjo ni mararuta wira wao mwega muno no gakorwo giko kiu nakyo gigigoka kuoyo ni kira oya kahinda kanene muno.
Muikari wa itura riri Beatrice Kinyua ni ugite giko giki no gikorwo gikirehera ndwari ciana na no gikorwo gikirehe ndwari ta korera makiuria honge ya maria maturigiciirie guka gukieheria.
Maitu mungirora baria nimukuona bena mborera na tinjega ndiria andu matea mapampa baria na misuba gitini ciukaga igakua pampa igitonyagia guku kanitha na ni uru koguo kinya ciana citu irathakira guku ni tukoragwa na mogwatine tondu aingi ni matemagwa ni misuba na misuba yo ina germs nyingi muno.
James Mugo manyitanire na endia na aikari a itura riri magikungwira muthenya wa maria maturigiciirie ni makorirwo magitheria taoni ino guku Mugo kiuria honge ya gibururi ya maria maturigiciirie ikorwo ikiingirira urogoti wa giko giki na maratathi ma naironi maria macokereirie.
Kanjo yongerere ngari cia gukua giko thiini wa Kirinyaga county akorwo ti uguo wira ucio hewe andu kiumbe na nigetha aruti mawira ma thirikari maruta wira wa kubata nake mundu kiumbe agoka agakua giko kiu kiothe agitwara in a common area haria kingiga ukanua kuringana na muthemba wa giko tondu kwina giko kibuthaga na kwina giko gitabuthaga and especially mungirora no kuthie tauni-ini citu gakora maratathi ni macokete plastic ni icokete ni undu ucio njira iria njega ni kumenya uria giko giki kiothe kingigagwa handu ngurani na nigetha kiria kingiboteka kubuthika ria keri tugita recycling no giko guo kiria kingiboteka gutwiga gia kubutha gitwike gia kuthondeka thumu.
Ripotera Muthingi TV aritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Aya nake gavana wa county ya West Pokot niwe Simon Kachapin ni atongoririe uruguria wa mubango wa uheani wa irio kuri arutwo a mathukuru ma primary oro hamwe na secondary na kuria Kachapin augite mubango uyu ni gukorwo ugiteithiriria na kwarahura sekta ya githomo hari county ya West Pokot.
Wakiwa zitawafunika. Haya. Haya waseme ngamba.
Hesabu maths ingine iko hapa kali. Dorka.
Haya, nario ripoti iyo ya West Pokot niyo igukoro igitweka mweke ga gwikiria tugathie haraya ntracokereria na ripoti ingi nyingi.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ, amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe, amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Haya, nĩ twagicokereria na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ makĩria ma manathi 250 kuma kũrĩa mwena wa Elgeyo Marakwet mũthenya wa mothe nĩ marokire kũrorongania nginyagia wabici-inĩ cia gavana wa county ĩno kũrĩa maugĩte atĩ nĩ megũkorwo makĩambĩrĩria mũgomo wao akorwo county ĩno ndĩgũkorwo ĩkĩmahe ihinda rĩao rĩa gũkorwo makĩaranĩria na atongoria a thirikari ya county.
Vile wengine wamesema hii chakula itasaidia sana kwa mambo ya retention kwa watoto wale wadogo, tukijua sehemu kubwa yetu ya county ni sehemu ambaye sangine vyakula inakuwa chache. Unaona hata national government wanapea wazazi wao vyakula na sisi pia tunapeana wakati tuko nayo. Kwa hivyo hii uji itasaidia sana ku retain wale wanafunzi ama wale watoto wachanga wale hawangekosa kwenda shule kwa sababu ya kukosa chakula.
Shule ya Chepruperka, Simato Sublocation, Riwa Ward. Nachukua fursa hii kushukuru county government kwa uji ambayo tumepewa siku ya leo, kwa maana tunaona kwamba wakati tumepokea uji TANAP ama wanafunzi wanazidi kuongezeka.
Ilianotolim Lotuport Boniface. Tunafurahi kama walimu na tunashukuru our government county level kwa kutuonekania siku ya leo. Tunayo furaha na tunawashukuru. Yenye nangeweza tu kuchangia ni hivi, hii uji ni nzuri na inasaidia wanafunzi wetu, lakini tungeomba wakati ujao watuongezee iwe tu mingi.
Thank you parents. Thank you students.
Na nĩ kĩndũ mĩeri ĩtatũ rĩu kuma rĩrĩa mũbango wa gwaka nyũmba cia raithi wakorirwo ũkĩhĩtũkio na gũtuĩka watho, na rĩu mũbango ũcio nĩ ũronekana kũhĩmbĩria mawatho marĩa a Kenya arĩa marakorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere kũrĩa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ arĩ mbere ya kamĩtĩ ndure ya kwanĩrĩra mũbango ũcio. Mwandĩki ministry-inĩ ya Mĩako Charles Hinga augĩte atĩ a Kenya no nginya mathiĩ na mbere kũrĩhĩra mũbango ũyũ oro mwaka, kũrĩa ongereire na kuga atĩ ona kwaga kũrĩha mũbango ũyũ harĩ mĩeri 8 rĩu nyũmba ĩrĩa wakorirwo ũkĩheo nĩ thirikari nĩ ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩcokerio kũrĩ ũramati wa thirikari nene.
Last year our 3-year contract ended. We were given another 3-year contract. Then they discussed, they said by this year they will absorb us. Fenye hii mwaka ilisha, they never absorbed us. They want to extend their contract. Some of us are reaching. We are almost our retiring age and still in contract. We are just telling the government to absorb us.
47 years old right now. There are some of my colleagues who are 50 years and 45 years. And now, if I will be put on a contract extension, I will be 50 years. It means I will work only for 2 years or 3 years before retirement. And there is nothing I will take home.
They are saying health facilities that are closed. And I want to say UHC staff have been doing a lot of work. They have been the backbone of work in this county. And today, even the facilities that are still open, we have very few staff. We are here in solidarity with them and say enough is enough. We want Minister of Health to go back to national government because county governments are proved not able to run Minister of Health.
Na thutha wa aikari a Kibiko ko areni county-inĩ ya Kajiado gũkorwo magĩetera ũgai wa mĩgũnda harĩ makĩria ma eka 2,800 rĩu ũgai ũyũ nĩ wonekanĩte ta ũtekũhanĩka kumana na thogo cia kĩũteti iria irakorirwo igĩcũngĩrĩrio nĩ amwe arĩa maragĩkinyĩtie harĩ mũcemanio-inĩ wa gũthura mũikarĩri gĩtĩ ũrĩa ũgũkorwo arĩ kamĩtĩ ĩno ya ũgai wa mũgũnda ũyũ.
Reduces the cost. Correct. The tax reduces the cost of owning a house.
So I have not seen anywhere provided for those people who are initially living in those sections. Because I have seen the ones who are eligible are a Kenyan citizen above 18 years, meaning that whoever who introduces himself in that area is eligible for that house. But I understand that those indigenous people who used to live there are the first people to be given priority.
You'll be given a unique identification, and that unique identification is the one which will entitle you to a priority when allocation of house is being done. I think we are sensitive enough.
You know, you actually do notify them. You see, you are in default. You have not paid rent. And then, of course, you're giving the person the opportunity to say, my salary has been delayed. I'll pay you by this date. So at that point, it's just a notice. And you can see we've actually been quite generous with the giving sufficient time because the whole spirit of this program is to bequeath Kenyans the house. And we will go out of our way to ensure that, yes, when you have difficulties, we'll still give you sufficient time.
If somebody has paid up to 75%, should the position be possession, or should you be using other means to see whether you can top up? I think that's a progressive thing. We'll look at it. We'll look at the threshold, whether it's 75, 80, whatever it is, so that also Kenyans are not feeling the government is not supporting. Get a house, because you know Kenyans, houses are 30-year mortgages, 25, 30 years. You may be only 10 years to retire. And I think we need to provide a regulation, or now you can hand over your house to your child, or even your wife can take over and pay for it.
Mũcemanio wa ũrũmwe nĩ ũrakorwo ũgĩtabanio arĩ ta njĩra ya kũmatha thayũ na kũrigĩrĩria ngũĩ kũrĩ atongoria a atumia oro hamwe na Beo Njethi makiria kuri county ithathatu iria nicio Samburu, Baringo, West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet, Laikipia oro hamwe na Turkana. Na kuria mucemanio ucio atongoria aria marekinyitie marahoire Beo Njethi kwenda gucokia mishinga iria makiri nayo na kuhimbiria wira wa turamu.
To the members of the press, I want to acknowledge my appreciation to all people who have attended this election and this AGM. It is my greatest joy today to stand here, having been sworn in as a chairman of this community and having served for the last 25 years. I thank them dearly because they have been patient and they have been always in close contact for the last 25 years when we are battling in the court corridors. I want to tell my brothers who have been our opponents for all those years that today the win of this community is clearly seen. It is clearly a testimony that the citizens and the Kegonyege community trust members have come out in large numbers.
Leo Kegonyege community wameweza kunichagua niwe mwenyekiti wao wa shamba la Kegonyege Community Trust, na wamenipa hiyo idhini ili niweze kuwakilisha kwa ile muda ambaye tunaenda kukata hiyo shamba. Na ninataka kuhakikishia community yote, wale ambaye wamenichagua na wale ambaye wajanichagua, hawa watu wote wamekuwa wangu, na ninahakikisha kwamba walemavu na wakina mama na wazee na wale wengine wameshirikishwa.
Now aikari a Garissa ni makomithitie wira muru uria ukoretwo ukirutwo ni ruhonge rwa Kenha oro hamwe na honge tiganite hari waki wa farafara mwena ucio wa Garissa kuria atongoria aya hamwe na aikari matongoretwo ni muikari giti wa National Livestock Marketing Council maugite ati Kenha ikoretwo igiaka farafara mwena wa Garissa indi farafara ici itikaraga itakinyete ati ni cia thuka na itingigireka.
I'm the Secretary, Peace Building and Conflict Management Directorate in the Ministry of Interior and National Government Administration. We've come here on a peace building mission. Our approach, our concern is the whole of North Rift, mainly 6 counties, parts of Northeastern and parts of Coast Province, especially Lamu and Tana River. In the North Rift, our concern is, it is the young boys, commonly known as Morans here, who are utilized or they initiate on their own issues that affect peace and conflict management. So the youth, we are saying, drop the guns, drop the weapons, take up the pen and the book. That is where a lasting solution to peace is in the North Rift.
Aya imwe kwa imwe riu tuhanyuke kuria iharo-ini citu kuria gikorehera riboti igie mbĩtĩka cia kũmenyera maria maturigicĩirie na kuria ruhonge rwa Tana Ardhi Development Authority nirwambĩkĩte mũtaratara ũrakuruhania mbeũ njĩthĩ harĩ ikĩro-inĩ cia primary, secondary oro hamwe na colleges nĩguo mahote kũmenyera maria maturigicĩirie kũgerera mĩbira ya magũrũ na mathako mangĩ.
And the KFS, we have agreed to be supporting them, giving them the scenes and just establishment of the 3 nurseries, so that the presidential directives won't be achieved even before 2032. Therefore, I'm happy today to see the youth have participated, and now they are promised this exercise will continue every year. I wish this cup, this World Conservation Cup that is being played today, it will be played every year. Whereby we shall come with a program to involve young people from the primary to secondary and also to the colleges, so that the whole world will know Kenya is the first country to host such an event called World Environmental Conservation Football Cup. And they are started today. The cup is there, the Kikombe iko pale. So far, tenders planted in various counties in the Hand Basin and Tana Basin. So the youth that you have seen them playing here, you have their contact, we have their location. We shall be using them as we have been using them earlier on to participate in digging of holes whereby we pay them. Also, you shall be using them in a capacity building. This is whereby you will be training them on how to start a nursery, how to manage a tree, how to do watering. So as they put before, they also gain from participating in the conservation. That is how we intend to utilize them. Instead of them being idle, we want all the youth to start this program as an income earning activity. Because these trees were planted, we are buying them from nurseries. So we want to empower them to establish nursery, through capacity building, so that they will build up themselves. Also, we are partners with the banks. Banks like Absa Bank and the other banks like Equity, KCB, even the SACCOs. So now, if they want bigger money, we can recommend them to access the money from SACCOs and the banks.
Aya na riboti iyo ya mathako niyo igukorwo igitutirihira mohoro maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthi gucokeria ngatho we wagitikira gutwarana itho kuma riria twambiriirie mohoro maya maitu nginyagia riu njokeria ngatho aria othe tukiri na guku mwena wa studio aria magitigirira ati mohoro maya maitu nwakorwo mamukira na njira iria ibacĩrĩrĩkĩte mambirioni ya andiki aitu othe a mohoro. Producer wakwa ni mundu gwitwo Wambui wa Njaũ, Tael no kiuma director wakwa mundu gwitwo Aizo no kiuma kuria mwena wa graphics, na Munga no kiuma guku mwena wa camera. Mundu uria wagitigira ati mohoro maya no amamukira imwe kwa imwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook ona nginyagia YouTube ni mundu gwitwo Nyaguthie. Ni hingo ciothe njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kimani kakwendithĩria ũtukũ mwega.
Gũkenarĩ nĩ arĩa marĩ na kĩeha nĩ gũkorwo nĩ makaninĩrwo kĩeha nĩ ũndũ wa gũcakaya na arĩa matigĩtwo nĩ endwa ao. Rĩu ceceni ya Mũthingi TV nĩ ĩrakũhe kamweke ga gũtangathithia kĩmenyithia kĩa mwendwa waku hatarĩ marĩhi o mothe. Itangatho rĩrĩ rĩmemerekagio o thutha wa mohoro maitũ ma hwaĩ-inĩ. Aranĩria na rũhonge rwitũ rwa wendia kũgerera email ya sales@lookuptv.co.ke kana kũgerera namba itũ nĩyo 0777 nao endwa aitũ maroma makwega kuraga.
Cheruiyot, unatoka maeneo gani?
Natoka upande wa Njoro, Nakuru County.
Okay.
Tunafanya kazi ya farming.
Oh, wewe ni mkulima?
Mimi ni mkulima.
Wa nini? Mimi ni gani?
Ni viazi, waru, tena mahindi.
Yes. Shopping ya kubwa ushaifanya kabisa.
Kabisa.
Ile ya juu kabisa.